Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Farida. If you don't know me, I talk about how to turn your side hustle into your full-time income. Today is the 30th of December and I'm going to get this video up today. So I'm super excited because I want to tell you about what I have planned for the next year for 2022. I also want to give you a few updates because a lot of things have changed in my life and I feel like I didn't really address them. I've just kind of been making videos about FBA and small business tips, but I haven't really talked about what's going on in my personal life. So I'm super excited. Let's get right into it. I've written down a few points and I want to get through everything. Okay, so let's get into the first update, which is that I moved to Dubai. I've already spoken about this on my Instagram and I believe on my TikTok as well, but I did not address it for my YouTube. So yeah, me and my husband relocated to Dubai. There's a few reasons to this, which I'm going to mention, but we're very happy about this move. I grew up here in Dubai. I lived here for around 10 years and my husband grew up in Egypt, which is just around like 3.5 hours away by plane. So for us, it's nice because we are closer to home. Our family lives on this side of the world. So it's not like a 14-hour flight to see them, and we're able to see them a few times a year, not just once like it was when we were in Canada. So I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I did used to live in Canada. I was living in Toronto, and one of the main reasons that we moved out of Canada, number one, was because of how badly they dealt with the COVID and the lockdown. It was just a mess. We were in lockdown for 1.5 years, and obviously this was a very hard time for everybody, but it really did take a very hard toll on us. So we decided that, maybe Canada's just not the right place for us, even though it will always be home. But right now, for this stage in our lives, maybe it's just not the right place. And also another reason is because of the taxes in Canada. Like Canada, the taxes are very high when it comes to income tax. It's around like 30 to 40%, which I believe is just way too much. Like, especially right now, we are still out the early stages of our lives. I'm 24, my husband has just turned 30. So we are very young and we don't want to be paying so much in taxes if we're not really making use of the health insurance or anything like that. Another thing is that I'm Egyptian, so is my husband, and we are like creatures of the sun and the beach, and we love sunlight. And in Canada, for maybe like 6 months of the year, even 9 months of the year, you don't get much sunlight. So that was another big reason why we moved out. Here in Dubai, obviously it's sunny all year round. It's December right now and we were just in the beach yesterday. The weather is amazing and we do plan on going back to Canada at some point, but maybe when we have kids later on and we want to put them in schools over there. For now, for this stage in our lives, we think Dubai is a great place to be. I feel like I spoke very fast. Whew. Need to take a breather. So yeah, another thing, another reason why we moved to Dubai is because we're actually expanding On The Trend over here. So On The Trend was originally in Canada, but if you don't know already, my business is a sunglasses business. So Canada doesn't have sun for most of the year. So it just did not make sense for us to grow our business over there. So for us, it was either the US or here in the Middle East in Dubai. And so we chose here since our family is very close to Dubai. So we're very, very excited to grow the business here. There's again, as I said, sun all year round, so people need sunglasses all the time. There's tourists coming here all the time. So yeah, we're working on a lot of expansion for On The Trend and we're actually going to film all of it. I am filming one of the first videos today and I'm gonna try to push it out the first few weeks of January, which is going to be all about the rebranding of On The Trend. So we originally started as a small business and we didn't know much about marketing. We didn't know much about social media, but I have been reading a lot of books about branding. So we are scratching everything that we did before and we're starting all over again with all new branding plans, an all new social media plan, a social media schedule, new marketing techniques that we're trying out. So I'm going to be sharing all of that with you over here on my YouTube channel. I also have very exciting news. I am launching a phase 2 of FBA Academy. Academy. So if you don't already know, I have a course on how to sell on Amazon FBA. And this course, I started it when I very first started Amazon FBA. So it's all about how to start, basically. And I feel like I've learned a lot ever since then. I've tried a lot of new techniques for ranking, for researching your keywords, for doing the marketing, the social media, the influencer campaigns. I have learned so much ever since I first filmed that course, and I've been wanting to do a phase 2 for a while now, and I'm excited to say that I am finally getting to it, and I'm going to launch it in February. So everybody that already has signed up for FBA Academy will get access to version 2, which is going to be a lot more detailed. It's going to have a lot more tips and tricks. I think it's going to be very, very useful, and I'm going to talk about scaling. I'm going to talk about marketing. I'm going to talk about building your brand, because essentially when you are starting your business on Amazon FBA, yeah, you're starting it there, but you eventually want to take it into Shopify. You want to scale your influencer marketing. You are starting a business just like anybody else. Just instead of doing it on Shopify, you're starting on Amazon, because you get the access to the millions of users that are already on there. So I'm gonna include a lot of information in this course. I'm very excited. I think you guys will find it very useful. So anybody that already is signed up for FBA Academy will get access to that course for free, like with the same price. But if you do want to sign up later on, once it's launched, it will be a little bit more expensive than what my course is right now. So if you want a good deal, I would say sign up for my course now so that you get access to it for a lower price. And I'm gonna have my course linked below as well. So these are my business plans for 2022. I'm also going to be looking into a lot of crypto ways to make money, because I find this very interesting. I truly believe that this is the future, but my issue is that I don't really fully understand it just yet. And I know that you should understand something if you're going to invest and put your money in it. Now, obviously, I don't recommend putting all of your money into crypto, but I do think that it is a good investment for the future. So I'm going to be doing some research. I am currently still learning more about it, about crypto, about NFTs, and I'm gonna be doing more research. And when I feel like I've kind of, learned enough about it and I've made some money out of it, I will definitely be sharing those methods with you guys. I know I mentioned about crypto bots also. I've mentioned this in my TikTok videos before. So this was something that I got a lot of questions about, but still I'm learning about it. What crypto bots is basically like, it's a software called Bitsgap, where there are bots that you can set up and they buy and sell crypto basically, I think every minute or every few seconds. So even if the crypto is going down, you're still making money because of its volatility. So again, I don't know enough about this, so I am still going to learn more about it. And once I feel like I've made some money out of this and I have enough knowledge, I will definitely share it with you guys. I did learn about these crypto bots from 2 YouTubers. One of them is Stephen James and the other one is Tatiana. So they are actually a married couple, and they made videos about how to make money through crypto bots on their YouTube channel. So if you guys want to learn more about it as well, you can go check out their videos. I'm going to link it in the description. I learned a lot from them, especially when I was starting out on my Amazon journey. So I'm gonna have those linked below as well. So let's talk about my content for 2022 when it comes to my YouTube, when it comes to my TikTok and my Instagram. What should you expect from me for 2022? So for TikTok, it's very tricky for me. I haven't talked about this before, but TikTok is very sensitive when it comes to people that are, either selling courses or teaching how to make money online or teaching Instagram growth, because they have it in their community guidelines that you're not really allowed to talk about money that much. And every time I do mention anything to do with money, it kind of triggers them to take my video down. So this has been something that's very frustrating for me. I've been dealing with this for a while now, and TikTok has taken down many of my videos and then reinstated it when I do submit an appeal. So I'm still trying to get in contact with someone, but TikTok is going to be a very tricky platform for me moving forward, because I do want to share a lot of tips and tricks, and I want to do it without any filter, to be honest. And with TikTok, they're just making it very hard. I even made a video about how to write an Instagram bio, and they took that down because you're not allowed to talk about any methods to help people grow their following or to help people gain likes or gain engagement, which to me is bizarre because that's a very important part of growing your business. So I'm actually going to divert a lot of that content into Instagram, into Reels, infographics. So you can follow me on Instagram to learn more about this and to, you know, catch my tips and tricks over there rather than TikTok. It sucks because on my TikTok, I do have my biggest following. So I am going to announce over there that I'm moving with that content to Instagram, just so that I can speak a little bit more freely. Through YouTube, I did mention that I'm going to be doing a rebranding series, but I am also going to take you guys into my life a little bit more personal with YouTube. I do feel like I have more freedom to do that with YouTube because I can make longer videos. It doesn't have to be so tailored. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving you more of a personal view into my life through YouTube, and I hope you guys do enjoy that. It's still going to tie into, you know, growing your business and into starting your Amazon FBA business, but I'm just going to show you what we are doing as well for our own personal business on our own journey. Stay tuned. If you aren't subscribed, then please click the button below to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of those videos. Thank you guys so much, and until you wait for next week's video, you can check out some of these videos over here that help you grow your business as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.